The publishing market in a whole, especially on Amazon, KDP, their whole Kindle division, it is growing year over year. More and more people are buying not just ebooks, but also physical books and especially audiobooks as well. And Amazon is investing a crap ton of money into expanding their Kindle Direct publishing division. They only do this if they know that the market trends over the next 10 to 15 years are going to be in a positive upward trajectory. We have seen more improvements in the Amazon KDP space over the last 5, 6 years or so than we have in probably over a decade and a half. It has been absolutely insane. And that is proof that Amazon's confident consumer behavior is going to continue to increase with ebook sales, paperback sales have been increasing, and audiobook sales are still exploding. And that just means we have a stable, secure business that we can keep growing over the next 10 to 15 years.